Let's learn how to create report cards in Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Document. Yeah, as you can see, this is my report card and I want to make my reports, my results appear. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to open my Excel file. Here it is. So let me put some names of students and marks that we are going to use for the video. Let me say Sentongo Kare. That we shall use for the subject grades. So I'll come here below and I'm going to use the horizontal tables. That means that we shall use the HLOOKUP formula. For those who want to know more about formulas, follow the page, like, comment and share the video so that you can get together for other videos. So we are going to say we are going to use the grading table. Let me put a 0 here and then 0, that will be an E. I come to 50, 50 will be a D. Then I come to 60, 60 will be a C. I come to 80, I think 80 will be, from 80 and above, that will be a B. Then 90 will be an A, 90 and above will be an A. So I've finished creating my grading table. Let me give it brackets and remember to always save. So I come here under the SST grade. We are going to use the HLOOKUP formula. So we say equal signs HLOOKUP, open brackets, the lookup value is this, put a comma, come and highlight your table. After highlighting it, press F4 on the keyboard. So that pressing the F4 means that even if you drag the cells, the table will not drag. So after pressing F4, you put a comma. The row index number, it's number 2. Then we shall use the true. And then I close the brackets. So as you can see, meaning 78 is a C. You see, and we had said that from 60 and above, meaning that it is from 60 to 79, that is a C. And I hope you can see it here. So we shall come and autofill here so that we simplify the things. Then from there, I'm going to come, instead of retyping the whole formula, I'm going to copy it, come to this cell and paste it there and change here a little bit, and I will make it, sorry, I made some mistakes. Disposed to be, yeah, this if I fix it, I will come here, I also say equals HLOOKUP, you open the brackets, the lookup value will be this one, put a comma, come and highlight the table, press F4 as we said, put a comma, put 2, then come and say true. Yeah, so meaning 43 is an E. and we also autofill this one. Then we come to the math grid. We also say HLOOKUP, open brackets, this is the cell, put a comma, highlight your table, and press 4 on the keyboard, put a comma 2, then say true, press enter, and autofill here. Save. Come to the English grid, say equals HLOOKUP, HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup in full. We'll put the brackets, we shall be using this, put a comma, come and highlight your table, press F on the keyboard, put another comma, so say 2, put a comma and say true, and enter. This is it. So now we have finished putting the grades for each and every subject. Now we come to counting of the total. So since now in this same row I have used grades and marks, I will not be able to use the auto sum. So I'll come and type everything and say open brackets. I come and say this, I put a plus sign, this, I put a plus sign, this, I put a plus sign, and this. Close my brackets, press enter. Then I autofill here, you can see. Then we come to the average. The average, still we won't use the auto sum because autofill here, because we have there some other cells that are not the same as others. So we shall come and also say average, open brackets, click this, put a comma, click this, put a comma, click this, put a comma, this, then you close your brackets and press enter. Then come down. That is it. So I need my average to be to 1 decimal point, like this, to 1 decimal point. Yes, that is it. So as you can see, I've finished giving the students positions in according to the classes they are. So we are going to come to the class teacher's comment. The class teacher's comments, we shall use the if function. So I come and say equals if. We are going to use the average is greater than or equal to 60, greater than or equal to 60. The comment, the teacher's comment will be keep reading. Then for the other, the teacher's comment will need to be improve on reading. Yes, that's it. Then we autofill. This one applies to all the classes. Then also the head teacher's comment, which we are going to use the if function, because if this one and 2 is equal to or greater than or equal to 70, is greater than or equal to 60, that one's comment will be aim higher for better grades next term. Then the other person will be improve on your ways of reading and understanding. Yes, then I close. Yeah, I've finished that. So you come and autofill. This is it. So I've finished getting this ready. Done with our table. Let's come back to the Microsoft Word and first see what we are going to be using. Let's first make sure we have each and everything. We have the name. On the report cards, we need the name, class, and stream. Name, class, and stream, we have that. We need the scores for SST Science, Mathematics, English, and CRE, and their grades. When we come back to the Excel, we got everything. Except we have not got the values for CRE. So I think we can maybe remove this one for a minute. Yeah, we've got the totals and the average. These cells are not needed. These cells are not needed. Yeah, we have position and class teacher's comment, then head teacher's comment. So as I earlier told you, we are creating report cards the simplest way to report cards, minus having to write on each and every report card. Here is the simplest way. So we are going to use the mail merge. So, and I will open my Word document that contains the report format that I designed, that I will be using for for my generation of report cards, I come under the mailings tab, then select, I will come here and say start a mail merge. Click on the drop down arrow. I emphasize clicking on step by step mail merge wizard for those that are beginners. So I come and click. We are going to use letters, and if at all you want to send email message, you want to send the report cards through emails, you can click on email messages, but for us we want letters. So after click on letters and stay, can come down here and click on next, starting document. So use the current document. Yeah, we are going to use the current document. This is it, the one we have designed here. Or you can start from any existing document that may be saved on your PC, or start from a template, but for us we are using the current one. Then we come down and click say next, select the recipients. On selecting the recipients, we have here they are using an existing list. Select from Outlook contacts and type a new list. So when you click on use an existing list, you are going to browse your PC for that very list. The list can either be a database file, that is the SCCDB file, or an Excel file, or any other type of file that deals with lists. And if you select from Outlook contacts, you have to look for your Outlook files that contains their contacts. Then if you want to type a new list, you can also do that. So we are using the existing list. I come and browse for my list. So our Excel file is called Marksheet. It's the one we are going to use. Let me first save and close it. So I come here and browse for it. I saved it on the desktop in the folder called report cards, and it is called Marksheet. And I will say open. It has one sheet, and that's the sheet that is appearing here. Click it and say okay. Yeah, this is it. You see here, whatever I typed the other side is appearing here, and click OK. So no need for selecting a different list and editing it. I'll come here to write your letter. The fact that I already have my report card designed, no need. Maybe unless you want to make some changes, you can make them here. So after that, I will come and start inputting my details here. I come under the name, and under mailing still I come on this one now called select recipients. I come here under the inserting a merge field. Come here, the name, we shall select name. Then maybe I center align it like wait, I put let me first extend it a little bit in front and say insert merge field name. Under the class, insert merge field class. Under the stream also, tab insert merge field stream. Then we come in the table. Under SST scores, we shall come and say insert merge field SST. I think this one can be put in the middle. Then under the grade, we need, since it is SST subject, we need to select the SST grade. Here it is, and it can also be put in the middle. Then we come to science, do the same. Come to the total and we put the total also. Then we have the average. Here it goes. Yes. Kati tugenda ku position in class. So we have to come here in position, set tab, insert a merge field for position there. And this one we shall bold it and underline it. And I think also these ones need to be underlined. Whatever edit you want to find on your details, you do it here. That is it. So the class teacher's comment will appear here. Insert merge field. This is class teacher's comment. Also this one we want it bolded. Bold. Now let's make it italic. And then maybe we change its font to maybe like Arial. Yeah, and change its size a bit. Yeah, then come down, like teacher's comment. We insert a merge field for a teacher's comment, and also we need this one to be underlined and italic. Yes, I think we are done with this. So after inputting all this, here we come. The teacher of SST is called maybe Alex. It's called Alex. Maybe the teacher of science is going to be called Daniel. The teacher of English mathematics is called Nabo. Then the teacher of English is called Pretty. That is it. So after you put each and everything, it's time to see our letters. So after you have put whatever fields you want, you come and say preview letters. See, I think now you can see this. By default it will come as one letter here. It will come as one letter here. So if you want to see the next letter, the next report card, you click on next. Another one will come. This is Sentongo Karim, and this one was the second. Position is there, scores are there, the total, the grades, the comments, and the teacher's comment. Then we go to the third, Edrin. We go to the fourth, Isaac. We go to the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, like that and that and that and that. So when we want to combine all our letters, we shall come down here to the last step and say complete the merge. After clicking on that button, you come and say edit individual letters. So we shall say all records and click OK. After you click OK, a new file, a new Word file will be created, and it will be named by default as letters 1 with all the report cards in according to the number of students you had in your Excel file. So in my Excel file, I had 18 students, meaning I should have 18 report cards in total. So if I try checking here, I will find out that, so how many students did I have? I had, let me first check my Excel file for the number of students I had. So I had 13 students meaning that I will have to have only 13 report cards. So when we come back to our letters, the main reason as to why you see these empty report cards is because in our Excel sheet we had this table, and so that's why we have the other empty report cards, because these empty cells have been also considered. But that's not a problem, we can delete them. But that's the procedure of creating report cards. This is basically for primary schools, and I think the next video we shall create an advanced report card system using Excel and Word to simplify things. And this is this becomes to be the cheapest method rather than paying for very expensive softwares. Otherwise, thank you for watching the video till the end. And now I'm saving my report. I remember my folder was on the desktop, report cards. Come and say reports and save it here. So after that, easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and comment on everything you haven't understood so that we may repeat it in the next video. Thank you.